Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Again, this is BIM Basics and Beyond, and myself Amrit Kumar Tripathi, electrical BIM designer, and I am working in this industry since above 2 years. In today's video, guys, we are going to learn Revit filter. Uh, Especially, we will learn both the rules, the AND rules, and the function of OR rules as well. So OR and both we will cover in this video. Before we proceeding to our today's video, guys, I just want to share information with you. If you want to talk with me, if you have any doubts in your mind, if you are a student or a design professional, want to upgrade in your field, you can come here. This is my top mate profile. You can book 1:1 mentorship call for yourself by giving just a very small token amount. I provide bunch of services to you, so you can come here and you can check this out also. So to proceeding with the tutorial of our today's video, we will learn filter on Revit. So I will draw some elements in Revit right now. For example, I will draw cable trays. So just for an example, I will draw three cable trays over here because we need some element to model to showcase our filtration, like how will it work. So I have drawn three cable trays. One is 300 mm, other one I will change it to 450 mm, and the last one I will change it to 600 mm. So for reference, you can assume that like the first one is LV tray. LV for low voltage tray. Same I will do for rest of the both. I will change this to MV tray, medium voltage tray, and I will change the last one to HV tray, high voltage tray. Okay, one thing more, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you subscribe to BIM Basics and Beyond, because here you can find every kind of BIM and Revit tutorial from very basic to pro level as well. Uh, okay, so our modeling is done. Now I will implement the filtration process on this three cable trays. Let's explore the process. To explore, turn on how where you can turn on the filter. So just go to VV, and in the last option of VV, here you will find filters. So in this filters category, you can see over here a button or a option, edit and new. Click over it here and then make a new filter name. For example, I will first create a filter for the low voltage tray. So I will give the name by LV tray filter. Okay, as you can see, our filter is created, filter name is created, and now we need to check in the categories, the model categories from here. So as we are doing for the cable tray, so check in the cable tray and cable tray fittings, and then the and the OR option is here. Right now we are learning the AND rules, so we will leave it to AND, and then we will create the parameter where we want and where we will giving the value to make our filter work. So for time being, I am choosing comments. This parameter, most of them, the parameters are coming in the properties palette. Some of them will come in the edit type. After giving the parameter name over here, choose the rule you want, equals you can choose for time being, and then Also, here are some bunch of rules over here. Maybe I will explore them on the later in future videos, but for time being, I am choosing equals. And comments, as we are doing for the first cable tray, which is the low voltage one, so I will give a low voltage rating, maybe 450 volts. 450 volts. Okay, so then apply, then okay. So guys, we have just created the filter, but we need to add this from the now we have to add this. So where you can add, the filter is created, but we need to add this. You can add this from here. Tap on the add, and here you will find that LV tray filter, and then click OK. Hold this, then hold this the filter you have created, and then you can uh, set how you want to see it. Patterns, I will make it to solid fill, and colors, as it is a low voltage one, I will choose the green one, and then click OK, and then OK. So here are some also some other visible settings like lines and the cut lines over here. So, but we don't need to do that right now. You can explore it later while you will learning by yourself. But for now, as we are doing it like very first time, and so I will leave it to the outer pattern, and then click apply and OK. So friends, our filter is created successfully. We have added it to the visibility settings. Now we just need to check whether it's working or not. So I will hold this LV cable tray little bit. I will scroll the properties palette little bit. Then I will find, here's the comment option. As I have set it the value of 450 volts. So if I give the 450 volts written over here, I think I have written VOLTS, and then apply. So friends, you can see the our filter is working successfully, and the tray is now turned into green. Same process we will do again. Go to visibility settings, visibility graphics, then filters. Then I will create a filter for MV tray, medium voltage tray, similar to LV tray. So click new, right over here, create the filter MV tray filter. Remember friends, right now we are doing by choosing the AND rule filter. After these two are done, the last option, which is the OR option, we will explore with the high voltage tray. Okay, coming back to the topic, MV tray filter, I've given the name over here, then OK. Now I will choose the categories, which is cable tray and cable tray fittings. Whether the cable tray fittings right now we have not modeled yet, but still I am choosing it. Cable tray fittings and cable trays, because it's a general practice. Now I will choose again. Okay, maybe I will choose something mark over here. Mark. On the last filter, when we are created, we have chosen comments. Now we are choosing mark. This will also most probably coming in will come in properties palette. Then we need to choose the value over here, equals we will choose, and as it's a MV tray, so maybe we can assume that the voltage will be around 32 kV. It's meant 32,000 volts, and then apply OK. Now the filter is created successfully. Now we need to just add this in this visibility settings. Now I will click on the add, and we will find here MV tray filter, then OK. Then hold the MV tray, then go to the pattern section, and then choose your pattern according to your need. I will choose solid fill for very much visibility preference, and then choose color, and as it is a medium voltage one, then I can choose yellow, and then OK, further OK. So everything is done, then click on the apply and then OK. So now in front of you guys, I will again do the how to show you. I will show you how the filter will work. I will hold the MB tray, scroll a little bit, and you can find that the mark value over is over here under this comment option in the properties palette, and I will give the value of 32,000 volts volts. Then apply. And as you can see, friends, our cable tray is successfully cable tray filter for LV and MV tray. Both of them are have worked successfully. So now coming back to the main topic, these two we have made with the AND rule of filtration process of Revit. Now we'll do the same with OR rules of the Revit. So I will go to visibility graphics, and again friends, I will describe also like what is the major difference between and or rules, and when we use and or in live projects, I will also tell you about this also. Then I will create same process. The creating process of the filter will be same, will remain same, and I will click on the new one, filter, and then new, and give I will give a name of HIGH, high voltage cable tray filter. So I have given a name over here. You can give your name according to your whatever you want. Then I will choose the categories, the model categories, which will remain same as cable tray fittings and cable trays. Now I will change the value from here and to OR. I will switch it to OR. Now I will only this option will be changing. This option and OR. Now we need to create a rule over here, which I will choose maybe comments because it's the most general one. Then equals. Then I will choose uh, maybe mm, as it's a high voltage one. So maybe for example 230 kV, 230 volts, as it's a high voltage one. 230 volts, and then apply. The other one I will choose, again I will create a rule, same commands. I will choose the rule to equals, and then I will do 250 kV. It's mean 2 lakh 50,000 volts. Okay, that's fine. Then apply and okay. Now we just need to add the filter to the visibility settings, visibility graphics, high voltage cable tray. Okay, and now just give the color and the patterns you want. I will choose to red. Okay, and then apply. Okay. So friends, now I will just hold the HV tray over here, and I will go to the commands option in the properties palette to check the OR filter is working or not. The first option we have given, which is 20 to 30 kV. It's mean 20 2 lakh 30,000 volts and volts volts. Apply. Okay. So friends, you can see by giving the first option 2 lakh 30,000 volts, our filter is perfectly working. Now I will undo it, and now I will give the second option we have given while creating the filter, which is 2 lakh 50,000 volts. 2 lakh 50,000 volts. Then I will click apply. Okay, so now friends, you can see both of the values are working, 230 and 250. So friends, the basic difference between the and OR rules is basically in AND rules we can give only one single value. And in OR rules, in the all OR rules of filter process of Revit, we can give multiple and we can set rules of multiple values. In projects, sometimes we often require to create a filter with multiple values, multiple numbers, multiple words, cause maybe a ducting, maybe a cable tray is going over there, and then the same cable tray is pulling cable. We are pulling cables for both LV and HV services. So in that cases, in many cases, in such many cases, we create an OR rules of filter of Revit to give multiple values according to our need. I hope friends you understood and you I have able to clear your doubts regarding AND rules and OR rules of Revit filtration process. If you have any doubts, you can comment down in this video. Also, you can book a session for your own self and you can talk to me directly over there and I will be very much happy to helping you out. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.